Quick review on the Wild Horses liftgate shock kit. Overall, very happy with this. It's a lot safer and a lot easier than the old strut system. The old metal supports, so the bottom bracket just bolts right into your old locations, as well as the top bracket. You just remove your old bracket and put your new one in. The bracket does face out. The only thing that's slightly tricky is the bottom bracket. This ball nut or stud is offset inside, and there should be a P and a D stamped on the inside here of your bracket. Mine were both stamped with P, so I just took a guess and offset the stud to the inside, and that seems to be working good. And you put your bigger end up top, and then the smaller end or the extension goes at the bottom. So the sockets just snap right on and come right off if you need to get them off. Really easy. So the best part about this is it supports it going down and then going up. It's super nice and easy. So well-made kit, definitely worth the money. One of the better upgrades. With the stock supports, the liftgate was really heavy. And you can very easily drop it. Come crashing down on your fingers. So well worth it. Definitely 2 thumbs up for this kit. Highly recommend it.